The perfect garage door can add architectural style and enhanced functionality to any home. At Central PA Dock and Door, we're your local overhead garage door experts, serving all of central Pennsylvania. With over 225 years of combined experience, the professionals at Central PA Dock and Door welcome the opportunity to supply, install, and service all of your overhead garage door needs. We specialize in commercial and residential garage doors and openers, lifestyle garage door screens, rolling steel service and fire doors, high-speed doors, and loading dock equipment. Central PA Dock and Door also offers a preventative maintenance program that can save you big on labor and parts. To learn more about our selection of garage doors and services, visit centralpadockanddoor.com or give us a call at 717-248-1397 to set up your free safety inspection.